The best TWS earphones with industry-leading active noise cancellation, AirPods Pro are about to get a new successor. That's right, we have some pretty solid news about much-awaited AirPods Pro 2. So let's see what you can expect from it and should you wait for it. So the AirPods Pro 2 will take everything we love about them up a notch. We are expected to have an all-new H2 chip that will feature SiP packaging system and self-adaptive active noise cancellation capabilities. We might also get more efficient power consumption. Thanks to the U1 chip, the AirPods Pro are on Find My network. But if you have ever used this feature in case you have misplaced it or played a sound to find it, you would notice that it is pretty useless because you can't really hear a noise that is coming from AirPods that are within the case. So the AirPods Pro 2 are expected to have a speaker on the case itself so that it can use this feature better. Also, it might also have precision finding feature just like on AirTag. Heart rate detection is also coming to this new generation of AirPods Pro just like it was rumored long time back. And other health sensors like temperature detection is also rumored but not confirmed yet. The AirPods Pro 2 will apparently share acoustics with AirPods 3, featuring a combination of customized high-amplitude drive units and high dynamic range amplifiers. Self-adaptive equalization, spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, and audio sharing will be included. We can finally expect to give us Type-C charging port on the new AirPods Pro 2. There's this new leak that sounds very cool, but I don't know, I'm not convinced as to how they will actually implement it. 52 Audio claims that AirPods Pro 2 will serve as a hearing aid. Sound can apparently be collected through the charging case and transmitted to the earphone for sound enhancement and playback, with the aim of helping people with hearing loss better hear sound in the environment. This site actually believes that what was previously described as a lanyard holder on the AirPods Pro 2 is some kind of a hearing aid function, which sounds questionable. All in all, if you are looking for a TWS earphones, no matter if these rumors are true or false, the AirPods Pro 2 will definitely be a game changer. That is it for this video. If you liked what you watched, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button and the bell icon as well. And make sure you download the iGeeksBlog app from the App Store. This is Yash signing off. I'll see you in the next one.